So hello everyone. So today let's see how to control one PC from another, and we are going to do it with an app which we are going to download, and we don't need to install the app. So let's get started. Just go to Chrome and type download ANYDESK. So go to the first search option and just click on download now. It will be a 3.8 MB app. You just need to download it in both of the laptop or PC which you're going to operate. Just click on download now and click on this download version and it will be downloaded. See, it is here. Just do the same on another PC which you need to control and just open it. So here it is. This will be your ID, and this is the ID for which you need to connect. I'll show you my another laptop where I have downloaded ANYDESK. I have actually not installed it. I have just run the file which I have just downloaded, and you have not installed the app till now. So this is my other laptop where I have downloaded the ANYDESK app. I just need to write this code which is given here under this desk in my other laptop, and I'll be able to access it. So let's go there. So I'll just write the code here of my other laptop. Okay, it's done, and now I will click on connect and it will show connecting in progress, connection in progress. So I'll just shift here. So this is what appears in my other laptop. It shows connecting, and this shows that there is a connection request, and I will just click on accept. I'll just click on yes, and now you can see I have the complete control of my other laptop here. See, this is the screen which is visible to me, as you can see here. I'll just open Notepad here, and you can see it's open. I'll just write anything, and as you can see here, it's created in my other laptop. So this is how we can control one laptop from another. So the other things which you can do other than controlling is these features given here. You can record the session. You can use a feature called whiteboard which enables you to write, and this is very useful. This is file transfer. So what is file transfer and how to use it? You just click on this, okay, and you see you are directed to the desktop. For example, I want this. This is my current PC which I am using, and this is the one which I am controlling. So as you can see here, it is written upload here, and it is download. I will just upload this, and you can see it's telling it's finished, and I will just search for it, and as you can see here, it's there already. This is my screen. This is file transfer. This is chat. You can chat with the one you are sharing your screen with. This is keyboard. This is the display settings, and this is record. So all of these cool features are here. The other thing which I want to tell you is all these features can be used without even installing this ANYDESK app, and that is really cool. So thank you for watching the video, guys.